In a world full of dreams and ambitions, goal setting often seems like a puzzle we can't quite solve. Many find themselves lost in the maze of ambitions, struggling to bridge the gap between dreams and reality. It's a common problem. We have dreams, but how do we make them a reality? Dr. Andrew Huberman, the maestro of human behavior, unveils his groundbreaking Goals Toolkit, a masterstroke for turning dreams into tangible achievements. Within the intricate landscape of our brains, the biology of goal setting and pursuit reveals itself as a mesmerizing marvel. This neurological dance is not only beautiful, but also remarkably functional. Dr. Andrew Huberman astutely emphasizes that comprehending the mechanics behind this process is paramount, for it empowers us to fine-tune our approach and customize it to our unique needs.
The goal setting and pursuit circuitry essentially consists of 4 major stations in the brain, although it's important to point out that each of those stations has a number of other connections that are important.
The brain structure located on both sides of the brain, the amygdala, is the first stop on this neurobiological journey. It's essential for controlling arousal, fear, and even happy moments. The basal ganglia, a complex of brain structures, takes center stage. This intricate system houses 2 primary pathways: the go pathway, which initiates actions, and the no-go pathway, responsible for ceasing or withholding actions. The key distinction here is whether we aim to learn new actions or refrain from specific behaviors, as most goals involve a combination of both. The lateral prefrontal cortex makes an appearance as the 3rd station. It handles immediate and long-term planning. This region's involvement in time perception and goal achievement is particularly noteworthy. Setting and achieving goals often requires us to navigate both spatial and temporal dimensions, continuously updating our progress. The orbital frontal cortex serves as our emotional barometer. It evaluates our emotional and arousal states in the context of goal pursuit. Are we happy, indicating progress, or feeling frustration, sadness, or anger due to setbacks? The orbital frontal cortex plays a pivotal role in assessing these emotions and their relation to our goals. So, as Dr. Huberman eloquently describes these 4 core structures, we gain a profound understanding of the neural circuitry that drives goal setting and pursuit. Dr. Huberman's first tool is choosing a priority goal, which is a universal truth in goal setting. Whether it's fitness, academics, work, or relaxation, the same neural circuits drive our pursuit. Dr. Huberman's wisdom lies in the power of prioritization. Most attempting multiple goals find themselves faltering. He emphasizes the importance of defining a singular priority that reflects your values, motivations, and resources. This choice ensures your unwavering focus and enhances your chances of success, a concept supported by scientific research. So, before you embark on your goal-setting journey, take a moment to select that one goal that will rise above all others. Dr. Huberman's second tool is a game changer: the pursuit of lofty goals. Easily attainable goals often fall short. What's needed is a challenge just beyond your current abilities. Why? Because these lofty goals trigger the brain's arousal network, propelling you into action. Learning and goal achievement thrive on discomfort, including errors, failures, and frustration. The orbital frontal cortex not only senses your emotional state, but grasps the importance of these struggles. It recognizes that they pave the way for neuroplasticity, where the brain rewires itself to improve. While the magic happens during rest, the journey begins by picking a goal that's exciting yet slightly out of reach. This approach guarantees a more satisfying and successful outcome. Tool 3 unveils the importance of precision and clarity. Before you embark on your goal journey, ensure your goal isn't a vague dream. Instead, spell out the specific actions needed, whether it's running, weightlifting, language learning, or gardening. Get specific about what you'll do. Write it on paper, as this helps memory better than typing on your phone. Imagine your goal is to get fit. Rather than leaving it at that, commit to running a certain number of miles or spending specific time at the gym each week. This method offers 2 crucial advantages: increased chances of success and a maintained sense of motivation. Specificity and measurability are vital to goal setting, a fact supported by a wealth of scientific evidence, even in seemingly trivial tasks like recycling programs. Dedicate time to detail your goals and actions. It's the path to transforming ambitious goals into achievable ones. Dr. Huberman debunks some popular myths about goal setting. One such myth is the post-it fallacy. The idea that sticking a post-it note with your goal on the fridge or mirror boosts your chances of success is actually incorrect. Your visual system adapts to regular sights, regardless of whether your environment is sparse or cluttered. If you leave the same note up every day, it's likely to become part of the background, diminishing its impact. To make visual reminders work for you, update them daily and change their location. Dr. Huberman busts the myth of accountability. Discussing your goals with others may not necessarily enhance your chance of success, although the initial encouragement and support you receive can provide motivation. It often fades, reducing your commitment to your goals.
If you want to increase your motivation toward pursuing a goal, and you want to increase the probability that you will achieve that goal, that you should engage in so-called accountability.
Share your aspirations with one or two trusted individuals if necessary, but avoid widespread announcements. This approach can help you maintain your motivation and increase the likelihood of goal achievement. Dr. Huberman underscores the significance of establishing measurable goals. It entails specifying the duration you'll commit to a goal and the amount of time you'll allocate to it on a weekly and daily basis. To simplify this process, he recommends setting a 12-week quarterly cycle for goal pursuit. Within this time frame, specify the number of hours you'll commit to each week and each day, and identify which days of the week you'll focus on your goal. Dr. Huberman highlights the importance of quantifying your goals. He illustrates the challenge of quantifying goals using the example of writing a book. To tackle this issue, he recommends allocating a designated amount of time, daily or weekly, to the act of writing, which might involve setting specific daily word count goals. The crucial concept here is to emphasize measurable actions. By dedicating time to these tangible actions, you enhance your chances of attaining your broader, less concrete objectives. Whether you aspire to complete a book or acquire a new language, Dr. Huberman talks about how motivation influences this process and how important it is to see the finish line. If your motivation to achieve your objective is strong, it helps to visualize the results and the accomplishment for a short while. This positive visualization can reinforce your motivation and help you get started with enthusiasm. Take a few minutes to consider your feelings in the moment that your 12-week cycle ends without reaching your goal. Even if you're not feeling very optimistic, this technique can activate specific parts of your neurological and hormonal systems and push you on to action. Dr. Huberman's technique focuses on using your visual attention to boost your motivation during your goal-related tasks. You can enhance your alertness and cognitive focus by narrowing your visual attention to a specific target. You can practice this during your work sessions, taking short breaks to maintain your motivation. Remember to blink and relax your eyes if they get tired. This method works best when combined with other health-promoting practices, including reducing stress, proper diet, and quality sleep. Dr. Huberman highlights the importance of putting your phone into airplane mode during goal pursuit activities. This simple but highly effective practice helps minimize distractions, allowing you to focus on the activity at hand. While there are many productivity apps and hacks available, sometimes the most effective solution is to eliminate the source of distraction. Dr. Huberman explains that dopamine, a brain chemical linked to motivation and rewards, plays a crucial role in goal pursuit. To maintain motivation effectively, he recommends using a method called random intermittent reinforcement. It involves rewarding yourself randomly, like flipping a coin to decide whether to reward yourself when you complete a task. When it comes to cognitive rewards, you should celebrate your achievements if you receive a reward signal, such as after finishing a task successfully. Dr. Huberman addresses the middle problem in goal pursuit. The middle problem refers to the dip in motivation and focus that often occurs during the middle of a learning session or a goal pursuit period. To overcome this problem, He suggests breaking the middle section into smaller, more manageable chunks. For example, if you have an hour-long session, you can divide it into 3 or 4 smaller segments. This approach helps maintain motivation throughout the session, making overcoming the middle problem easier. Additionally, you can use visualization and other focus-boosting techniques to keep your motivation strong. Dr. Huberman discusses circadian rhythms and their impact on attention and motivation. He points out that most people have their highest levels of focus 3 times a day, 30 minutes, 3 hours, and 11 hours after they wake up. But he also notes that because of responsibilities to one's family, career, and other facets of life, these timings could not always coincide with one's schedule. Therefore, finding a balance that works for you and prioritizing engaging in goal pursuit rather than adhering strictly to specific time blocks is crucial. In his example, he shares how he adjusted his running schedule to fit his day, even if it meant running at an unconventional time. Ultimately, finding a time that works for you is essential for goal achievement. Dr. Huberman emphasizes the importance of protocol flexibility and subjective feelings in maintaining energy and motivation. While sleep is crucial, he points out that our perceptions of past and upcoming experiences also play an important role in our daily energy levels. When we complete a task we set for ourselves, it creates a sense of accomplishment and boosts our energy. He suggests that completing goals, even when it means working during less optimal times, can leave us with a feeling of achievement. Dr. Huberman underlines the importance of action, goal setting, and following through with your plans to boost your overall motivation and well-being. By understanding the neurobiology behind goal setting and implementing these practical tools, you'll gain insights into the mechanisms that drive your aspirations. This knowledge will empower you to discover renewed focus, motivation, and a profound sense of accomplishment in your pursuit of success. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos and hit that notification bell to stay updated. If you found this video helpful, drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear about your goals and how you're working towards them.